What motivated you to put yourself into the pageant?
Well, actually, the pageant just started as something that I was going to do as a hobby. I had my Arizona director at home. Her name is Jocelyn, and she's always seen something in me that at the time I didn't even really see myself. So I participated in the pageant just for fun, and then when I won the crown of Arizona, I realized that this is something that I can use to really promote a cause, and that cause for me is education, not only in America but in Ghana as well, because I know that Ghanaians have every single right and possibility to become even greater than anyone can even imagine. And so that is what made me want to do this, the motivation, as well as having the impact to inspire someone else. If I inspire one person, that one person can inspire somebody else to even do greater things. And so that is what really motivated me.
Right. Did you find it difficult when you were going through this competition?
Oh, yes.
Was it any panic in it?
Oh, yes. There was many different factors, not only just the pageant in itself. It was a little time consuming and stressful, just on the fact that, you know, we all want to do good, but as well as juggling it with my education. And so that is when I always used to talk to my dad and my mom, and they would always let me know, make sure your test is done and you have a good grade on that. Make sure your homework is done, and then you can continue to train. And so they really made me level-headed enough to really make my priorities straight, and so I was able to do everything.
Right. Who was sponsoring the pageant? The petition, who was sponsoring it? Was it a sponsorship? Or
Yes.
Was it sponsorship?
Yes.
Not from the parents?
My parents, of course, they put in a lot of time and effort and money as well. So my parents did have a big part in that. I would always go to them before I made any decision, because their support means everything to me, and their validation to me means everything to me as well. But as well as my parents, who were playing a role as my sponsors, I had Ashley, Lauren, and the whole USA. My whole USA team, they really sponsored me into do anything I want. And even when I went to the pageant and I won first runner-up, they even gave me the heads up that they will sponsor me as well if I wanted to compete in the Miss Universe pageant as well. So I'm so grateful for every single one who has contributed to me.